Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. We'll remove the nickel from this machine yesterday. Got the infamous A10 area code. Not area code. You gotta go deeper with these. Sometimes just the
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Okay, got a Maytag washing machine here with the error code A10. This is common to other washing machines that have a similar error code when the washing machine pump gets clogged with a coin or a button, something along those lines. I've showed you before how to pull the panel out here. Other ones have it on the back, the same type of access port. I think GE's on the back. Other ones are very similar, but you've got this collection cup here, coin port, whatnot, where you can open this up and clear it. This one I used a wet dry vacuum and tipped it backwards and then cleared it out. The problem is it doesn't always clear the error code, so today I wanted to show you how to clear a stubborn error code. What you want to do is from the drain hose, pull the drain hose out of the drain and then vacuum out from the drain hose. What happens is water gets locked in that back portion in the hose, and the machine gets airlocked, and so when you first turn it on and reset it, it doesn't always reset. And this is how you can clear a stubborn error code, because a lot of times that error code, if it doesn't reset, the machine just keeps trying to run without running properly, and it never gets
any moisture
past that point. But here it is, back in the mix.
There it is.
Working again.
It's reached the end. Amazing there's any moisture left as fast as it was spinning. But yeah, see how everything. Oh my goodness, it's almost dry. I mean, it's not dry, but it's almost dry. It's not dry. I mean, it will just air dry from here. Done deal. All right, all fixed.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.